Safety alignment. Safety alignment. Safety alignment means designing and tuning an AI system so that its behavior reliably follows the values, rules, and safety limits that its creators intend.
A simple way to picture safety alignment is like putting strong guardrails on a powerful self-driving car. The engine can be very fast and capable, but the guardrails and speed limits make sure it stays on the road and avoids dangerous areas, no matter how it chooses its route.
For example, a customer support chatbot might be safety aligned to refuse medical diagnoses, avoid hate speech, and escalate anything that sounds like self-harm, even if the user strongly pushes it to break those rules. Techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback, which we covered in another video, are often used to train this kind of aligned behavior.
Safety alignment matters because modern AI systems are powerful, unpredictable in edge cases, and increasingly embedded in products, workplaces, and public infrastructure. So we need strong mechanisms to keep them within legal, ethical, and organizational boundaries. In practice, alignment is a core requirement for responsible AI programs, regulatory compliance, and for building user trust in any serious AI deployment.